Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel2A training. So go to the launch. So if you want to complete MylTLab courses Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So Excel2A training. Total question is 20 and select the range C4 to C8, right click the selection, click the format cell, click the alignments tab and then select the my cell checkbox under the orientations, change the degree values to the 30s and degree and then click OK. So copy the range and go to the name box and press enter. So select the range and right click section, click the format cell. So right clicks and click the format cells and click the alignment tabs and then select the my cell checkbox. So click the my cell and under the orientation change the degree to value to 30 degree and click OK. So degree is type 30 my cell and click OK. Next is on the home tab in the font groups, change the font size to the 14. So go to the home tabs and go to the font groups and font size to the 14. So click OK, it's 14. And next is with the merge range selected, apply a bold and italics. Click the font color arrow and then fifth column click the first color. Merge and merge range selected it, apply the bold and italics. So click the bold and italic and next is click the font color arrow. Font color arrow is the fifth column first color. Fifth column is the first color and next is with the merge cell selected it, align right. So go to the home tabs and go to the alignment groups and click the aligner right. Next is in the row heading area point row 9 and then right click to select the row to and display the shortcut menu, click the insert and then press F4 function key two times to repeat the last action and then insert two additional blank row. So select the row 9, right clicks and select the row, display the shortcut and click the inserts and press F4 function is two times to repeat the last action and insert the additionals blank row. Clicks and click the insert and select the row 9 to 11 on the home tab in the editing groups. Click the clear and click the clear formats. So select the row 9 to 11 and go to the home tabs, editing groups and click the clear format. The clear format. So question number 7 is complete. We can move to the question number 8. So question number 8 is to the left of the formula bar, click the name box to type the A44 and then press enter. On the formula tab in the function library group, click the date and time and then click the now and click OK. So type the A44 and press enter. Select the cell A44 and function library groups and click the data type and click the now. So type is equal to and type the now function and press enter. So question number 12 is complete and we can move to the question number 13. So question number 13 is make a cell A1 active cell and then select the row 14. So select the row 14 and click the view tab in the window groups, click the free spin in the list, click the free spin. So row 14 and go to the view tabs, go to the window groups and click the free spin and freeze pane. And next is in the window group, click the freeze pane and then click the unfreeze pane. Click the unfreeze pane. So question number 13 is complete. We can move to the question number 14. 15. So question number 15 is in the header row, click the retail price and then click the source and smallest to largest. So click the retail price and click the arrow is the sort smallest to largest. Click the sort smallest to largest and click the category arrow and then click the sort A to Z. So select the category column, sort A to Z. Click the sort A to Z. Next is in the header row, click the item hash arrow and then click the sort smallest to largest. The smallest to largest. So question number 15 is complete and we move to the question number 16. So question number 16 is click the category arrow and click the select all checkbox to clear all checkbox and click the maple checkbox and then click the OK. So click the category column arrow and select the all checkbox, clear the all checkbox and click the maple checkbox and then click OK. Next is on the table design tab in the table style option group, click the total row checkbox and cell A43, then click arrow display to the right of the cell A43, click a sum. So go to the table design in the table style option group and click the total row checkbox and click the A43 and then A43 and then click the arrow display display and then click the sum. Next is click the category arrow and then click the clear the formats filter from category to clear filter from the table and click the clear filter from the category. Next is filter the table so that only region control display in the landscape user column. So select the region control, filter that only region control display in the landscape use column, click OK. Next is filter the tables so that only oaks display in the category column. So select the category column and filter the table only oaks. Select the oaks and click OK. So question number 16 is complete and we can move to the question number 17. So question number 17 is clear all filter from the tables. Clear the filter from all tables. And remove the total row from the table. So go to the table design tabs and remove the total row. Next is below the worksheets in the worksheet tab, click the sheet 2 in the active sheets. Click the sheet 2 in the active sheets and click a cell A6 to make the table active on the table design. In the tool groups, click the convert to range and then display the message box and click the yes. So select the cell A6 table active on the table design tabs in the tool groups and click the convert to range and do you want to convert the table normal range and click the yes. Next is on the sheet 2, insert the footer with the file name left section and then center the worksheet horizontally on the page. So go to the page layout tabs and go to the page setup groups and click the header and footer, click the custom footers. So custom footer, insert the file name left section, click the file name in the left section and center the worksheet horizontally, click OK, click the margin and center the worksheet horizontally and click OK. So question number 17 is complete and we can move to the question number 18. So question number 18 is in the sheet tabs, click the sheet 1 to make the active worksheets. So select the sheet 1 is the active worksheets. On the view tab in the zoom group, click the zoom. In the zoom dialog box, click the 75% option button and then click OK. So go to the view tabs and zoom groups, go to the zoom groups and click the zoom. So open the zoom dialog box and click the 75% button and click OK. Next is restore the worksheet zoom level is the 100%. So question number 18 is complete and we move to the question number 19. So question number 19 is make a cell F9 the active cell on the view tab in the window groups, click the splits. So select the cell is F9. Sorry, type the F9 and press enter. So select the cell F9 on the view tabs in the window groups and click the split and remove the split form from the window and then click the make a A1 cell active cell. Remove the splits and go to the cell A1. Select the cell is A1 is the active cell. On the page layout tabs in the theme groups, click the theme and click the slice. So go to the page layout tabs and go to the theme groups, click the theme and click the slice theme. So select the slice theme. Next is select the range A30 to H13 and then apply the heading 4 cell style. So the A30 to H13 and press enter and then apply the heading 4 cell style. So go to the home tabs and go to the style groups, click the cell style and apply the heading 4 cell style. Next is with the range A30 to I13 selected it and change the alignment to the center. So go to the home tabs and go to the alignment groups and click the center. Next is select the column C2H and then auto fit the selected column. So select the select the column C2H and apply the auto fit column is the apply the double click H column. Next is question number 20. So question number 20 is insert a footer. Insert a footer file name in the left section and then center the worksheet horizontally on the page. So go to the page layout tabs and go to the page setup groups and click the header and footers and click the custom footer. So left section the file name and center the worksheet horizontally. Click the margin and center the worksheet horizontally and then click OK. Next is change the orientation to the landscape. So go to the page layout tabs and click the orientation to landscape. Next is in the page setup groups, click the print titles and then click a row to repeat at the top box and click the collapse dialog box and select the row 13. So row to repeat at the top is row 13. Row, select the row and row is 13 and click OK and display the print preview. Click a no scaling arrow and then click the fit all column on one page. So go to the file tabs and go to the prints and no scales arrow. Click the no scale arrow and fit all column on one page. On one page. Click OK. So Excel2A training is current score is 100%. So if you want to complete MylTLab courses, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you are 90 or 95 plus grades. So check the score is current score is 100%.